Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious salad with rice and shrimp that I am sure you are going to love. But first things first, my burn is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the shrimp. Of course, I have deveined the shrimp. I took the casing out, and now I am going to dry the shrimp very well. We want to get nice and brown shrimp, so you want to make sure that it's really nice and dry before you start adding all the spices. 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Of course, salt to taste, beautiful family. And here, let me show you. Once you add all the spices, you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you could use regular oil, whatever you have at home. And now we are going to mix, we are going to cover each shrimp with all those amazing spices. Once everything is nice and coated, we're going to put saran wrap right on the top. We're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes. And now we're ready to prepare the amazing sauce. Let me tell you, I'm showing you everything so that you might already have all these ingredients in your pantry, in your refrigerator. 1/2 cup or 1 cup of mayonnaise, and the rest of the ingredients are going to be in the description box. Very easy to prepare. This dressing, oh my gosh, is so delicious. It has so much flavor. My mouth is even watering. I'm going to add everything in this plate. I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. Remember, the soy sauce is salty. You could use the soy sauce low in sodium. So here I'm just going to mix away for a couple minutes until everything incorporates. Once everything is nice and incorporated and your sauce is like this, nice and creamy, put it aside and then you're ready to enjoy and start making your shrimp. Look at the texture, nice and thick, and of course, amazing. In your pan, you're going to add a little splash of olive oil. I am going to cover the bottom, making sure that I cover the bottom with the olive oil before I start laying the shrimp right on the top. You want to lay your shrimp one at a time. Don't overcrowd your pan. You want to sear the shrimp nice and golden brown. It really doesn't take too long. You know that the shrimp cooks very fast. You don't want to be flipping and flipping. Just cook it on one side for 2 minutes and then on the other side 2 minutes, and then you're ready to remove. But look at this. Let me tell you, once it starts cooking and releasing the amazing aroma of the spices, the shrimp aroma, then you're ready to flip. How do you know when it's time to flip? You're going to notice the shrimp getting nice and pink from the edges, and then you're going to flip and you're going to notice that they're getting really nice and crispy. Don't overcook your shrimp. Yes, the shrimp cooks very easily and very fast, but you don't want to overcook it. You still want the shrimp to be moist and tender from the inside. only the outside is going to be crispy. We're going to flip, cook it for another 2 minutes, and then we're going to remove. Do not leave it on the pan. Remove it because it continues cooking. So here I am going to remove, and I am going to finish up these last ones. And then we're ready to start building up our delicious shrimp bowl. Look at this. This just smells amazing, beautiful family. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And please don't forget, I have an extra channel, Cooking with Gloria Shorts. You could go and see what we have. Go register, go sign up so that you see what we cook during the week at home or what I do on the weekends. Those are little shorts. And of course, I'm going to enjoy this with steamed rice. How do you cook your steamed rice? Very easy, very simple. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. And then you're ready to start building up your plate with all these veggies, with the carrots, with the Persian cucumber, the red onion. And let me tell you, once you make this bowl, you're really going to love cooking with Gloria. But here I am going to add the shrimp right on the top. Remember, I am your personal chef. So let me show you how easy it is to prepare this amazing and delicious, healthy shrimp bowl at home. Of course, I'm adding the sauce right on the top, and then I'm adding the sesame seeds right on the top. I hope you make this amazing shrimp bowl. I'll see you in just a little bit. Completely done with this amazing rice salad with shrimp. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, mmm. So delicious. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious shrimp and salad with rice. This is the part I really love and enjoy, sharing with you all my amazing recipes. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing rice bowl. See you soon. Bye-bye.